I'm 100% better businessman and personal family man than I was before I met ActionCOACH. Prior to ActionCOACH, I didn't really know anything about business. I knew how to manage people. I knew how to do my trade, but I didn't know how to run a business. I was very stressed. I was trying to do a lot more myself. I was trying to do everything myself, really. I was very sceptical. I mean, our prices went up massively overnight, starting with ActionCOACH, and I was just like, there's no way I'm going to win any work. I'm not, I'm just going to lose work, and I was very sceptical about it, but it just, well, here we are now 10 years later and triple the turnover. So ActionCOACH keeps you focused on the areas that you need to be focused on, and just work on the business rather than in it. And all of a sudden I felt like I had a new lease of life as well, because I was doing something different for a change, and instead of just mundane day in, day out, same thing. And so the results of keeping everyone focused and everyone motivated, results were within weeks. Financially, probably took at least a quarter, to start seeing anything come through. But say it's only as fast as you can implement the strategies you've been taught. Well, the biggest impact was actually knowing my numbers, really, is knowing and being able to test and measure new strategies. Unless you know your numbers, of putting in your own key performance indicators, of knowing how many leads, conversions you're getting, and where you can up your prices and make more margin, unless you've physically got that written down and you're doing that on a day-to-day basis, then you're never ever gonna be able to grow your business, really, because you've got nothing to measure it from. So unless you're actually doing financials properly, then you're wasting your time. The gross profit was about 20%. Gross margin now is 40%, and with a net profit of 10, going back from a net profit of 2%. So we just broke $1 million before I started with ActionCOACH, and we've just had a record year of 3.4 million. I don't know how many weeks holiday I have now, but quite a lot, really. Generally by Friday I'm doing 4.5 days a week, so I've never been able to do that. I was lucky if I could get 2 weeks holiday before. Eventually I always wanted some land. It was one of the goals that I wrote down the very first time when I was with ActionCOACH in our sort of alignment session. We managed to buy the land with a very small house, and we've just managed to basically knock the old house down and build a big 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom. Is what our dream home, and that's basically come out of profits from the business. The most valuable thing working with my ActionCOACH is holding me accountable for everything and keeping me motivated. ActionCOACH has allowed me to enjoy work again, enjoy my family, and overall my personal health.